Hello everyone! Welcome back to Mr. Fluent English Channel. I am so happy to see you here today. I am Anna and I am very excited. Today is a beautiful day. The sun is shining and I feel wonderful. I hope you feel wonderful too. Welcome to our new English lesson.
Hello, Anna. Hello to all our friends at home. I am Tom and I am also very happy. I feel very good today because the weather is warm. It is a perfect day to learn English. I am ready to talk and I am ready to practice with you. How are you today, Anna?
I'm great, Tom. I'm happy because today we have a very useful topic. We are going to a place that everyone visits. We are going to the hair salon, or as some people say, the barber shop. It is a place to get a haircut.
Oh, the hair salon. That is very important. My hair is getting very long. Look at my hair, Anna. It is a bit messy today. I think I need a haircut soon. This is a perfect topic for our friends who want to speak English in real life.
Yes, Tom. If you go to a new city and you need a haircut, you need to know what to say. It can be a little scary, but don't worry. We're here to help you. We will use small steps and easy words.
That is right. Small steps are the best. But before we start, I have a small favor to ask. If you are watching this, please subscribe to our channel. We love having you here. When you subscribe, you join our big family of English learners.
Yes, please subscribe and click the like button. It makes us very happy. And tell us in the comments, how is the weather today in your city? Is it sunny like here, or is it raining? We love to read your comments.
Okay, let's start. Imagine I am walking into the hair salon. The door opens. Ding! There is a nice smell of shampoo and perfume. I see the big mirrors and the comfortable chairs.
Hello, welcome to the salon. Good morning. How can I help you today?
Hello, good morning. I am happy to be here. The salon looks very clean and nice. My name is Tom. I have an appointment at 10 o'clock.
Oh, hello, Tom. Yes, I see your name here. I'm Anna, your hairstylist today. It is very nice to meet you. Please, give me your coat. I can hang it up for you.
Thank you, Anna. You are very kind. It's a bit cold outside today, so I am wearing a big coat. But inside the salon, it feels very warm and cozy. I feel very relaxed now.
I'm glad you feel relaxed. That is the goal. Please, come with me and sit in this big chair. Is the chair comfortable for you?
Yes, it is very comfortable. It is a very big chair. I like the mirror in front of me. I can see my face and my long hair.
Great. So, Tom, what are we doing today? Do you want a big change? Do you want a new color? Or do you want a simple haircut?
Oh, no big changes for me, Anna. I like to be simple. I want a simple haircut. Just a little bit shorter, please. I want to look neat and clean.
I understand. A simple haircut is always a good choice. It's easy to wash and easy to brush. Do you want it very short on the sides?
Yes, please. A little short on the sides and a little short on the top. Not too much. I want to look professional for my job. I want my hair to look nice every day.
Perfect. I know exactly what to do. I will make you look very handsome. But first, we need to wash your hair. Please come to the back of the salon to the sink.
Okay, let's go to the sink. I like getting my hair washed. It feels like a small massage for my head. I'm walking to the back now.
Sit down here, Tom. Put your head back on the sink. Is that okay? Does your neck feel comfortable?
Yes, it is fine. The sink is a bit cold, but it's okay. I'm ready.
Okay, I'm turning on the water now. Let me check the temperature. Is the water too hot? Is the water too cold? Or is it just right?
The water is perfect. It is warm and nice. I like warm water. It makes me feel very calm. Thank you for asking, Anna.
You're welcome. I am using a little bit of shampoo now. This shampoo smells like lemons. Do you like the smell of lemons?
Yes, I love lemons. It smells very fresh. It smells like a summer day. I feel very happy when I smell fresh things.
Good. I'm scrubbing your hair now. Scrub, scrub, scrub. I am using my fingers to clean your head. It's important to have clean hair before we cut it.
That feels wonderful, Anna. You are very good at this. I feel like I'm at a spa. My head feels very light and clean now.
I'm happy you like it. Now I am rinsing the soap away. No more bubbles. Now I will put a little conditioner. Conditioner makes the hair soft. Soft hair is easy to cut.
Yes, my hair is usually very dry. Conditioner is a good idea. I want my hair to be soft and shiny.
Okay, we're finished at the sink. I will put a towel around your head. Let's go back to the big chair and the big mirror.
Here we go. I am sitting in the chair again. I have a white towel on my head. I look like I am wearing a hat.
You look funny, Tom, but now I take the towel away. Your hair is wet and flat. Now the real work starts. I am putting a black cape around your neck. This is to keep your clothes clean. We don't want hair on your nice shirt.
Thank you. Yes, hair on the shirt is very itchy. I don't like itchy hair. This cape is very big. Now only my head is visible.
Okay, Tom, I have my comb and my scissors. I'm starting on the right side. I'm cutting just a little bit. Is this length okay for you? Look in the mirror.
Yes, that looks very good. Not too short, not too long. Just perfect. You are very fast with the scissors. Snip, snip. I like that sound.
Yes, snip snip is the sound of the scissors. I have been a hairstylist for many years. I love my job because I love talking to people. I meet many friends here.
That is wonderful. I think it's important to love your job. I am enjoying our conversation too. It makes the time go fast. What are you doing now?
Now I am using the comb to pull the hair up. I am cutting the top now. I want it to be even. Even means the same length everywhere. I am being very careful.
You are very focused. I can see you in the mirror. You look very professional. I am feeling more and more confident about my new look.
Thank you, Tom. Now I am going to the left side. Snip, snip. We are almost finished with the scissors. Next, I will use the clippers for the back of your neck.
Oh, the clippers. The small machine that goes bzz, bzz. I know that sound. It feels a little bit ticklish on my neck.
Yes, it's a funny feeling. Bzz, bzz. This machine makes the lines very straight and clean. It makes the haircut look very sharp.
I like that. I want a sharp look. I want people to say, "Wow, Tom, your hair looks great today."
They will say that, I am sure. Okay, I am finished with the clippers. Now I am using a big brush to brush away the small hairs from your neck and face.
Ah, that feels better. The small hairs are gone. Now I can see the shape of my hair. It looks much better than before. It looks very neat.
I'm glad you like it. Now I will dry your hair. I have the hair dryer here. It is a bit loud.
That's okay. The hair dryer is warm. It's like a warm wind. I'm waiting for the final result.
Okay, the hair is dry. Now I am putting a little bit of hair wax, just a tiny bit. I rub it in my hands and then I put it on your hair to give it some style.
Oh, hair wax. That's fancy. It makes my hair stay in place. I look like a movie star now.
You do look like a movie star, Tom. Look in the mirror. I have a small mirror here too. I will show you the back of your head. Can you see the back?
Yes, I can see it. It is very straight. It is very clean. I am very, very happy with this haircut. You did a fantastic job, Anna. Thank you so much.
It was my pleasure, Tom. I am happy when my clients are happy. Now I will take off the black cape. You are ready to go.
Great. I feel like a new man. Now I need to pay. How much is the haircut today?
The simple haircut is $15. You can pay with cash or you can pay with a card.
I will pay with my card. Here you go. And here is a small tip for you because you were so kind and the haircut is great.
Oh, thank you so much, Tom. That is very generous of you. I really appreciate it.
You are very welcome. It was a great experience. I will come back in 1 month when my hair is long again.
I will be happy to see you again. Have a wonderful day, Tom. Enjoy the sun and your new hair.
Thank you, Anna. Goodbye. And goodbye to all our friends. We hope you liked this lesson about the hair salon.
Yes, don't forget to practice these words. Scissors, comb, haircut, shampoo. These are easy and useful words.
Please, if you liked this video, give us a like and share it with a friend who is learning English. It helps us grow our community.
And remember to comment. Do you like short hair or long hair? Tell us. We want to hear from you.
See you in the next video for more fun and easy English. Bye-bye.
Goodbye, everyone. Take care.